Good day everyone, this is Teacher Brian and today we will be discussing all about changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. But before that, let's try to review what do we mean by improper fraction. When we say improper fraction, whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Now let's have an example. 5/4 is an example of an improper fraction since the number above or the numerator is greater than the number below, which is the denominator. So therefore, 5/4 is an improper fraction. Now, 8/8 is also considered as an improper fraction since the numerator and the denominator are the same or have the same number. So meaning to say, whenever the numerator and the denominator are equal, therefore we can say that fraction is improper. Now let's try to solve how to change improper fractions to mixed numbers. Let's have our first example, 11/4. This is an improper fraction because 11, which is the number above, is greater than the number below, which is 4. Since we need to change this one into mixed number, all we need to do is to divide the numerator by its denominator. Okay, so we can say 11 divided by 4 and the answer is 2, correct. Then 2 times 4, the answer is, yes, 8. Very good. Now let's try to subtract. 11 minus 8, that is 3. So now we can change 11/4 into mixed number by copying the quotient 2, that will be our whole number 2, and the remainder 3, that will serve as our numerator, and simply copy the denominator, which is 4. So therefore we can say that 11/4 is equal to 2 and 3/4, and that is the mixed number. Okay, now let's have another example. 24/5 or 24/5. Again, we need to divide the numerator by its denominator. So 24, the numerator, divide by its denominator, which is 5. So 24 divided by 5, that gives us 4, correct. Then 4 times 5, that gives us 20. Then subtract 24 minus 20, that gives us 4. Again, the quotient here will be our whole number. Then whatever the remainder, that will serve as our numerator in the mixed number 4, and simply copy the denominator, which is 5. So therefore, 24/5, the mixed number for that is 4 and 4/5. Okay, that's good. Now let's try to have our third example. 36/7 or 36/7. Very simple, students, very simple, viewers. All you need to do is that divide the numerator, which is 36, by its denominator, which is 7. 36 divided by 7, that gives us 5. 5 times 7, that is 35. Then simply subtract the numbers now, that gives us 1. So again, the quotient will be our whole number for the mixed number, and the remainder will serve as our numerator, and simply copy the denominator. So again, 36/7 or 36/7, that is equal to 5 and 1/7. See, it's very simple. Now let's have our last example. Now, whenever the numerator and the denominator are equal, meaning to say they are also improper fraction. Now, to change that one into mixed number, we cannot change that into mixed number. Instead, the answer will be always 1. Again, whenever the numerator and the denominator are equal, automatically the answer is always 1. 9 divided by 9, that gives us 1. When you say 13/13 or 13/13, since the numerator and the denominator are the same, automatically the answer is always 1. And that applies to all. Whenever the numerator and the denominator are equal, therefore the answer would always be 1. Okay, that's it. So I hope you understand clearly about the concept of changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day. God bless everyone.